It is often said that a legislator is that politician that is closest to the voter in his or her constituency. It is in recognition of this that the Lagos State House of Assembly, as part of activities to commemorate Lagos at 50 and the second anniversary of the 8th Assembly, held a special parliamentary session. The event, which was held on Monday, 22nd May 2017 at the Lagos State House of Assembly, Ikeja, Lagos, was a joint session between members of the National and State Assembly. It witnessed a large turnout of dignitaries from across the country and beyond, among whom were Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Kiwumi Ambode, Dr. Mrs. Idiat Adebule, Deputy Governor of Lagos State, the former Governor of Lagos State, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, and other honorable members of the Lagos State House of Assembly. Also in attendance were Senator Solomon Olamilekan, Co-Chairman, Lagos State at 50 Organizing Committee, Honorable Habib Fasinro, Senator Gbenga Shafa, Senator Mamura, Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fatai Owosheni, Chairman and CEO Biscon Communications, Prince Bisi Olatilo, Mrs. Nike Akonde, President, Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Lagos State White Cap Chiefs, LCDA Chairman, members of the Eko Legislative Forum, former members of the Lagos State House of Assembly, and members of the Lagos Board of Permanent Secretaries, among others. The event started with the entry of the Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, member representing Agege. In an opening prayer, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa committed the special parliamentary session and the Lagos at 50 celebration to God. In a bid to capture the mood of the day, the majority leader of the House and member representing Ikorodu Constituency 1, Honorable Sanai Agmubiade, moved the motion for the activation of Order 114 to allow non-members of the House participate in the parliamentary session. In his opening remark, the Speaker, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, laid the background for the day's event as he took the audience down memory lane of what is today known as Lagos. He said Lagos has had a long and fascinating history, with its days of betrayal, conquest, international trades and war, all of which contributed to its developmental history and dates back to 1862 when Lagos Island was annexed as a colony of Britain. On the 27th of May 1967, Lagos came into being, after which Mr. H.S. Freeman was appointed the first governor of Lagos State. He said the success of any executive administration rests on the success of the legislature. He described the legislature as the closest to the voter in his or her constituent, the organ of government that both captures the mind and the place where public sees democracy in action. He said the 8th Assembly, within its 2 years in office, has passed several bills into law, some of which include the Lagos State Kidnapping Prohibition Law, Lagos State Neighborhood Safety Law, Anti-Land Grabbing Law, among others. He added that the Lagos at 50 and the second anniversary celebration of the 8th Assembly was made possible by the harmonious relationship between the three arms of government in the state.
As we are all aware, on May 27, 2017, Lagos is exactly 50 years as a state. Over the 50 years of its creation, many accomplishments have been recorded by Lagos State. Lagos State has evolved as a state that set the pace for other states in the country, a feat that has extended to other parts of Africa. On May 27, 1967, our dearest state, Lagos came into being as an entity. Its official pronouncement as a state was done on this very date according to the State Creation and Transitional Provision Decree number 14 of 1967, which structured Nigeria into a federation of 12 states. However, while considering the success of Lagos as a state, a fact cannot be overlooked is that the state parliament has contributed immensely to account for the much celebrated and touted success of Lagos today.
The Speaker commended the former Lagos State Governor and the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his outstanding impact in helping to lay a solid foundation for Lagos State. He rounded off with a call to fellow members of the 8th Assembly to uphold the standard of the institution and be disciplined, selfless, responsible, and responsive in the discharge of their duties.
Today's celebration must not just be exhibition of achievement, but it's all to think further, to plan ahead and expand our vision of what Lagos will be in the next half century. Mine is to have Lagos that will be beautiful and alluring than city of Paris. Lagos with effective and efficient transportation than city of London. Lagos that is clean and smarter than Tokyo. Lagos that is safer, more secure than Switzerland. Once again, I thank you for coming. Thank you for your listening pleasure. Ìtẹ̀síwájú ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. And thank you very much.
In a brief, illuminating and reassuring remark, Lagos State Governor Mr. Akinwumi Ambode said since inception, Lagos State has been a shining example and hub of socio-economic and political development. He said the harmonious relationship between the three arms of government, which is visible in the governance model of the state, promotes the interest and welfare of Lagosians. He added that, despite the checkered history, the first to 8 Assembly of Lagos State has been the benchmark for assessing legislative business and governance of the Nigerian states.
On this auspicious occasion of golden anniversary of Lagos State and the second anniversary of the 8th Assembly, I would like to just, once again go through the list of all the speakers that have gone through this assembly as a way of just commending them and showing that we do appreciate all of them and also believe strongly that whatever it is that we're celebrating today, they've been part of that success story. In the first assembly, that's between 1979 and 1983, we had Honorable Oladosu Oshino. Between 1983, that's the second legislative assembly, which was just between 6th of October 1983 to 92, Honorable Oladimeji Dongbe. Shakiruddin Kiyomi. That's 1999 to 2003. Right Honorable Dr. Olorunibe Mamura. And in the 5th Assembly, Right Honorable Waheed Jokotola Pelumi. And in the 6th Assembly, and then the 7th Assembly. And then now, to the glory of God, our 8th Assembly, ever since 2015 till date, Right Honorable Mudashiru Adayokata. Thank you so much.
The governor commended the 8th Assembly for being highly responsive and innovative in fulfilling its constitutional obligations. He said the essence of the gathering is to celebrate the contributions of the Lagos State House of Assembly, particularly the 8th Assembly in the last 2 years. He commended the Speaker, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, the entire members of the 8th Assembly and their predecessors, adding that the success story of Lagos cannot be properly documented without the contributions that they all made.
The performance of this 8th Assembly, including previous assemblies, can be attributed to the quality of leadership that has been produced through a mature and democratic process with the purpose of providing a democratic process that will benefit our people. Over the years, the legislative arm has been a shining beacon of democratic independence and responsiveness. It has never shirked its assigned role or responsibility, even in the face of provocation. It has continuously engaged the electorate in the process of making laws through interactive engagements and contributions to the making of laws. The synergy between the three arms of government, particularly the executive and legislature, have become the benchmark of the democratic process in Nigeria. As we celebrate the last 50 years of the creation of this state, we have laid the building blocks for the next 50 years, and I have no doubt that the 8th Assembly of the Lagos State House of Assembly will continue to be relevant by raising the standard of legislative performance in a knowledge-driven era.
Former Lagos State Governor and National Leader of the All Progressives Congress (APC), Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in a keynote address, commended the Executive Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, for his achievements. He described Mr. Akinwumi Ambode as Wonder Boy, whose accomplishments speak volume. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu warned against military coup in Nigeria, as any attempts to truncate Nigeria's democracy will be resisted by Nigerians. He said the nation has gone too far to allow a military incursion He therefore called for true federalism. Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu described the legislature as the voice of the people. He added that the present administration has taken Lagos State to an enviable height, making Lagos a fountain of activities and a reference point in everything.
As a state, we have shown we can do great things to enhance the lives of our people. In this vein, we have solid reasons to celebrate. We also have realized we have so much more to do. We need to do more in order to create opportunities, better education, improved housing, and more jobs for many of our people, so that all can witness the full blossom of growth, hope, and prosperity. We celebrate not because the work is finished. We celebrate because we have just begun, and because what we have been able to do is but small first stage of what we can do as long as we remain united, hand in hand, brothers and sisters, tied in common purpose.
Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu extolled the effective model of governance the Ambode-led administration has followed in its 2 years in office. He expressed satisfaction with the achievements of the 8th Assembly of Lagos State.
The spirit of cooperation continues with my successor, Babatunde Rajifashola. And that spirit, I've seen it demonstrated before I get here. Today, that spirit of cooperation and collaboration continue with Governor Akinwumi Ambode, a wonder boy. This good house has collaborated with our governor. This is the way it should be. The cooperation doesn't stop or negate your oversight responsibility. But it is understanding that progress depends on that collaboration. In general, that is why you are making a difference. Much of this success is because of what the enlightened and wise Lord made. The House of Assembly, you've done well.
To further express their similarities in functions of the State House of Assembly to the National Assembly, the event featured a special session of joint legislative proceedings as members who have served the House in various capacities before joining the National Assembly were given the opportunity to be part of the special parliamentary session. Senator Solomon Olamileko, who has served in the State Assembly, the House of Representatives, and presently the Senate, was among the participants. In her remark, member representing Mushi Constituency 1, Honorable Fumilayo Tejuosho, briefed the audience about the Lagos State Domestic Violence Law, which she sponsored and was passed into law in 2007. She said the law allows the judge to hear domestic violence-related matters in private and makes it possible for everyone to be their brother's keeper. Also, member representing Koshofe Constituency 2.
Some people would say that domestic violence has gone on the increase in Lagos State, but permit me to tell you that that is not so. It is better now because a lot of people are speaking up. They see that they are not the cause of their problems, and the Lagos State government has done a lot to put things in place to make life easy for everyone. When the law was passed in 2007, there was a shelter built by the Lagos State government to give temporary succor to the victims of violence and help them to learn trades and rehabilitate them so that they can go back to their duties. Also, the law was simplified and sent to the different schools and to the different persons around, and also translated into Yoruba, so that the people in the marketplaces and those that cannot read in English can also have the opportunity to read in Yoruba.
Honorable Tunde Braimo spoke on the Lagos State anti-kidnapping law. He said kidnapping in Lagos is now a capital offense that attracts 25 years or life imprisonment.
It is now fire for fire. The kidnappers and victims
and take it as one of those 9 felonies that we get away with. It's not a capital offense because especially when the victim of the offense dies in the custody of the kidnappers. It's no longer those very long years of imprisonment, from 25 to life imprisonment, awaits people who attempt or who in any way perpetrate the crime of kidnapping in Lagos State now.
The guest speaker at the event, Professor Patrick Loch Otieno Lumumba, a lecturer of law, Kenya University, in a lecture titled The Importance of the Legislature in Democratic Governance, said Nigeria started on the right footing, but its government was rudely interrupted by a coup. He therefore charged the legislature to make laws that are people-oriented and to stamp corruption, greed, and personal aggrandizement through their positions. He also urged the legislators to see their offices as an opportunity to serve the people, adding that the duty of the legislature is to make laws that will make Lagos and Nigeria at large thrive. Professor Patrick Lumumba said he believes Africa's greatness is hinged in Nigeria's development. Therefore, Nigeria must rise to take its rightful place among the Committee of Nations. He warned against the practice of foreign laws, which he described as Eurocentric.
You must remind yourself that it is the legislature that must enact laws that will underpin democracy and good governance. You must remind yourself that it is the legislature that must create institutions that will ensure that the government of Lagos and by extension the government of Nigeria, the legislature, must ensure that the politics of Lagos never stumble, and that the politics of Nigeria never stumble, and that they remain on a firm course, because Nigeria can be great, and Nigeria must be great, but it can only be great if the institutions are great, and the legislature must be great, and it must be great when you start the next phase of 50 years, Nigeria will be great, and Africa will be great. God bless.
Mr. Bismarck Rewani, CEO Financial Derivatives Company Limited, in a lecture, took time to analyze the economy of Lagos, adding that Lagos is the world's second cheapest city to live in. He outlined the benefits of doing business in Lagos and the necessary steps needed to guide Lagos and Nigeria at large out of the economic recession. Mr. Bismarck Rewani described Lagos State as the nucleus of economic activities in Nigeria. Hence, if extracted out of Nigeria, Lagos State would be the 7th largest economy in Africa, while Nigeria will fall back to the 3rd position. So is the enviable position of Lagos in the economy of Nigeria. The event also featured interactive sessions that saw members of the House and guests asking pertinent questions that border on the subject matter to which the guest speakers provided answers. In the vote of thanks, the Deputy Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, member representing Lagos Island Constituency 1, Honorable Eshilokun Wasiu Sani, expressed gratitude to the participants, members of the House, and all who came to be part of the auspicious event. Member representing Shomolu Constituency 1, Honorable Rotimi Olowo, moved for the adjournment of plenary till Monday, the 27th of May 2017. This was quickly followed by the commissioning of the L-shaped office building for honorable members by the former governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There was a long queue of photo and video sessions at the reception venue of the event.